Yes.
안녕하세요. Hi.
안녕하세요.
Hi. Can you introduce us to ROVOSTECH? 어떤 회사인지 좀.
Yeah. 로보스텍 is underwater drone design and manufacturing and operation company. So we are a Korean company, and then this underwater drone. This is very limited operation area because aviation drone is very wide, well developed. But Robostech is developing company in Korea. So we are covering the service for the military, even power plant, and then offshore wind power, and all those areas. Also some aquaculture inspection and cleaning also. We are developing those business areas also.
Can we see it? Do you have it here with you? Do you have the drone here?
Yes.
This is it right here.
Yeah, this is the Robotion, our design, and this is water depth for the maximum 150 meters.
Wow.
And here is a full HD camera, and we can install some of the sensors for profiling sonars and scanning sonars, and this is the actual battery types. So the only connected 5 of the cables. So going to all the way to the 150 meters. So this is another type to minimize the all the environmental load, because this is quite wide. So taking a lot of environmental load from outside. But this is much more slender and longer, and the more. This is designed for especially for cable inspections, subsea pipeline inspections, and special purpose. Like this, our company is a custom-made design for the under the drone. Whatever somebody need, special area for their purpose, we can build, we can design, we can fabricate, we can supply. Also, we can do some operation service also.
So you can adjust the size of it, the shape of it,
Yeah.
that kind of stuff?
Yeah, we can develop for special people purpose.
Great. That's fantastic. Thank you so much for showing this to us. I
No
appreciate
problem. Thank you very much.
it. Yes, good luck with everything.
Yeah, thank you.